Awin Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and top programs are in the description. Now, let's get started. Awin is a global affiliate network that connects marketers with thousands of advertisers across various industries, including fashion, finance, travel, and technology. It's designed for affiliates of all levels, offering a mix of well-known brands and niche merchants that can't be found on other networks. Awin operates in multiple countries, making it a great choice for affiliates targeting international audiences. One of Awin's standout features is its diverse range of advertisers, providing plenty of opportunities to find programs that align with different content strategies. The platform also offers deep linking, allowing affiliates to direct traffic to specific product pages. Another key feature is the Awin Access program, which simplifies the sign-up process and makes it easier for small publishers to start earning. The reporting dashboard provides detailed analytics, helping users track clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. Now, let's talk about strengths. Awin's global reach and wide selection of merchants give affiliates more opportunities to find profitable programs. The network's tracking system is reliable, ensuring accurate commission attribution. Payments are processed twice a month, and affiliates can choose from multiple payment methods, including direct deposit and Payoneer. Additionally, Awin provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and manage affiliate partnerships. However, there are some weaknesses. Awin requires a small deposit, usually $5 to join, which is refunded after the first payout, but this can be a barrier for some new affiliates. The approval process varies by merchant, with some advertisers requiring a strong online presence before accepting applications. Additionally, while Awin has many high-quality programs, commission rates can vary significantly depending on the advertiser and product category. So, is Awin worth it? Definitely. If you're looking for a reliable affiliate network with a global reach, a wide selection of advertisers, and flexible payment options, it's a solid choice. Just be prepared for varying approval processes and commission structures. Check the links in the description to sign up and start earning today.